63. Be as a verb instead of a noun. The moment is now, like an empty vessel awaiting filling, like water. Be fluid and adaptable rather than solid and rigid. All qualities result from conditioning. Taste what has no taste. Listen to yourself listening. Feel texture as your own touch. Don't give anything to the moment that isn't already there. Inhabit the moment where all time happens at once. Let the past and future fall from your mind. They are thieves anyway, robbing you of the present. As the subjects or objects of the verb, nouns are possessed by what they do, endlessly modified, breaking oneness into fragments. The noun invites motion. The verb begins and ends in non-action, pure and simple like sound, moving in and out of silence. Listen. Be still. Be empty. Open to originating your own form. Be doing. No effort. Inhabit being without form. Immerse yourself in the Tao's expressive nature. Be integral to everything around you by awakening stillness. Start small. Begin with being unique. Inhabit yourself. Everything magnificent was once simple. Make it so. Look for seeds, not fruits. The seed is where everything begins. Pull complexity apart, strand by strand, until you find simplicity. There is glory in the minute. There is glory in the infinite. It is true. They are actually one and the same. Between the one and the many, vast worlds await. The Tao makes everything equivalent, for everything in truth is unique. The Tao is the common denominator of all existence. With the Tao as the wind in your sails, the oceans become manageable. Your vision is revealed, and every port awaits your arrival. Chart your course by the compass of your imagination. After all, guided by the Tao, the world is your destination. Follow the depths inside, or sail out into the storms. The choice is yours. Learn from those who are wise. Tackle big challenges while they're still young. Approach the great as small, the many as few. Master difficulties while they are still in their infancy. See things through. Avoid compromise. Fulfill your path to the end. Make promises when viability and virtue balance, and keep them. Not taking promises seriously invites disappointment and disfavor. Quick promises and fast talk undermine trust. The surest way to encounter pitfalls is to cut corners. By tending to little things, you will accomplish great things. Be wary of tricksters offering shortcuts and easy ways out. Befriend challenges that convey your character to the world. In no time, all existence will ratify your being. Do it now.